Hi guys, Deirdre here with Minard's Leisure World. Today I'm going to take you through the 2025 Connect 252BH. We have two slides in this bunk model. We are coming in at 30 feet on the nose and just over the 7,000 pounds dry mark. Starting off on the front, of course, we have our power tongue jack, our two 20-pound propane tanks, which we fill for you, and we provide you with a battery that is housed right up on the front there too. Come check out our pass-through. In our pass-through, we have our tire pressure monitoring system prepped, as well as our 30 amp charge controller for the solar that is already located up on the roof. Let's continue on down. Nice Asdel backing, so we have no mold, mildew, moisture, all that kind of jazz that's gonna get under there. So we are taken care of there for you. Fully enclosed, heated underbelly, as well as a KZ product, we have a 2-year true bumper to hitch warranty that comes with it. So that's double the amount that the typical manufacturer provides. So KZ's got you covered there. Let's continue. Entrance to the unit, nice black automotive glass door, large grab handle, sturdy steps. They flip directly up in there to eliminate all that gross grime that builds up underneath. 18-foot awning on here, outdoor speakers, lots of campside windows. Going on down here, we have our Lion's Head tires. So you get 5-year warranty on those things. The first 12 months, there's no questions asked. On this unit, we have 4 manual stab jacks located in all 4 corners. And just past the slide, we have our TV hookups. All right, you guys around back, we are already set up with our ladder to get up there on the roof. Make sure you get up there once or twice a year, check your seals, keep your warranty valid. We have an accessory hitch down at the bottom rated to 250 pounds. That is also what our ladder is rated, 250 pounds. Nice spare tire mounted off on the bumper, which acts as your sewer hose storage. We have backup camera prep, and of course, these are our 2 windows that are for your bunks. Around here on driver's side, we're gonna find a couple extra storage areas, one directly underneath of your bottom bunk, the other directly underneath of your entertainment system. You have your 30 amp power supply, your sewer outlets, and then your docking station is located directly up on the other side of this slide. Inside the 252BH, we are graced with this gorgeous hutch area as soon as you enter. It's also where your control panel is, lights, tank levels, awnings, slides, everything. It's controlled directly here. You do get some little hooks to hang some stuff there, upper head storage, as well as some lower storage, and that is where your fuse box is located. We'll make our way in and flow kind of into the kitchen part here. So nice large French door, fridge, lots of room in there, as well as the pull-out freezer down on the bottom there. Loads of counter space in this unit, so tons of prep space, tons of flat storage. I'm notorious for throwing anything down on a flat storage, or a flat space, I should say. Kitchen island here. You got the residential faucet, the insert into the sink. This thing is huge, huge stainless steel sink. Your faucet does come out and it has a couple different spray options. This is a fold-out little breakfast nook. There's a couple stools that come with pre-lit underneath there. If you don't need it, it's easy enough to close down and fold it up. Gives you a little bit extra walking space. Coming into the kitchen, we have our 3-burner cooktop, our fun little glorified bread box, and our residential microwave. Bank of drawers on this side. Some flat storage on this side. In our island here, again, lots of room in here to throw a garbage can. It is very open. And we get some nice full extension drawers in there, as well as off on the side. Into here, we have our entertainment area. So we did notice the storage on the outside. It's directly behind our center here. Smart TV, large electric fireplace, more overhead storage up top there. All right, just past our entertainment area is our double over double bunks. They are each rated for 500 pounds each, so a couple kids could easily sleep on each of them. There's a light on both sides, as well as USB charging for the children to keep their electronics up and going. Nice curtain here that will close off for that little bit of privacy while they're sleeping. Into here we have a large theater seating actually. The two ends have heat and massage in them. There's a couple USB plugins on the two ends as well. All four of these seats will recline, but if it's just two of you, these ones easily flip down, gives you a few extra cup holders, armrest, whatever. If you don't need them, then they're easily tucked up and put away. In our bathroom here, we have our porcelain foot flush toilet, our shower in the corner there, linen closet off on the side, of course, your medicine cabinet, your sink, and your vanity with a couple little storage drawers off on the side. We're gonna go check out our master bedroom. You can see we have two different entrance points. So if this one's sleeping, this one can sneak out, or vice versa. Let's go check it out. In the master, look at all of this room here. Tons of walking space, extra storage located underneath of the bed, as well as your foldable, removable table that sits up in front of the theater seating if you needed it, or it's easy enough to take outside. In here, we get a king size bed. King size is going to be standard in the majority of our Connect products. So large, full size king size bed, nice window at the front, hanging storage on both sides, as well as a flat top area if you have a CPAP machine. There is also cubbies on both sides tucked behind our hanging storage. All right, you guys, thank you for joining me on the walkthrough of the 2025 Connect 252BH. Again, we are coming in at 30 feet tip to toe. That includes your hitch and the bumper at the back, and we are just over the 7,000 pounds dry mark. If you have any other questions in regard to this unit, maybe something I missed or I didn't touch on, or if you have any other questions about maybe something else we might have on our lot, please visit us at minersleisureworld.com.